Welcome back to another exciting and thrill-filled adventure with DIY Nautical Dream. All right, welcome back to a special edition of DIY Nautical Dream. Baby and I have been looking for a solution to our problem on our boat. How do we get on and off from the dock gracefully? All right, so we think this is going to solve our problem. We're not sure. So what do we have here? All right, let's see here. So we found these on Craigslist, and these are boat boarding stairs. We want to try it out, so we're gonna see how it looks.
Oh, wow.
Not too bad, huh? So and then we have this nice little setup right here. What do you think?
Dang, that's a nice one.
It's pretty cool, huh? Then we would step onto the boat, which would be right here. And I think the freeboard on our boat is about the right height to get onto the deck from here. The only thing I'm not sure about is stability. So we might have to find a way to mount this onto the dock.
Yeah. Or do you want me to try it, honey?
Yeah,
Can I try it?
Sure.
That's where we get it from, sponsor.
Yeah. This is not a paid sponsor. But yeah, so we
Here,
think...
let me try it. I gotta show you how. So imagine that's our boat, right?
Right.
That's our boat right there.
I'm the boat.
You're the boat.
Okay, I'm the boat.
Then we have to take steps right here.
Yep.
And all the stuff like that, right?
Right.
And then you have to...
Might want to take two that one, dude. No. Try again. Don't break yourself.
That's just that part.
Yeah, right.
And then we get to the boat, right?
Yep.
You're the boat.
I'm the boat.
So you're the boat.
Right. Whoa. That's kind of wild. That's kind of wild.
That's good, right?
Yeah, so these are pretty cool.
Chitting!
Yep. So yeah, these are pretty nice. Pretty lovely little stairs here. They're non-slip. And the handle can be put on either side.
Way.
And I think even another addition would be nice to come off of here and have like a piece come off here and down into there. That way it stops anybody from overstepping the edge here as they're getting onto the boat. So we don't know how it's going to be on the dock.
I think what we can do is like make a hole in here.
Yeah.
So that way we can just screw it.
Maybe some DIY action?
Yeah, we'll just make a hole in here and then we can screw it to the deck. Get some washers and stuff.
Yep.
Okay, so show me how you gonna use it, honey.
That's how we're gonna do it right here.
Yep.
So we're getting onto the boat like this.
Yeah.
Step by step. And then we step onto the boat.
Yep.
Like this. That's how we do it.
Yep.
All right. How much did we pay for these stairs, baby?
1,700.
Whoa. Was that with markdown or mark up?
Mark up.
Okay, what was total price out the door?
It's 250.
$250 cash, people.
Yep.
$250 cash. So,
Still.
yeah.
Say it again.
So I'd have to say $250 for a set of marine boarding stairs like these. That's a pretty good deal. We can't pass that one up. In fact, we had to drive about 2.5 hours, 3 hours after work to go pick this up in Port Angeles, Washington. So that was a bit of a drive, but it was well worth it. And then we had a nice dinner as well up there. So these stairs right next to the boat look pretty good. The height is just about right. Exactly what we were looking for. And the nice thing about these is they're nice and portable. They're lightweight. They have their own carry bag. It's something we're going to be able to use for years on down the road. And anytime we go into a port that doesn't have good high dockage or anything like that, we can use these. Now we have them here at the boat, and these are just about the right height for what we want. And so now the gap to step over. Right here. So this is nice and easy. Easy on, easy off. I like the handrail. It's very nice. And they're pretty stable, even though they're narrow, they're very stable. So, and if we want, it all breaks down and collapses, and we put it on the boat and take it with us if we're going somewhere. That way we have a boarding ladder and a deboarding ladder anywhere we go. It'll make it nice for other people who aren't so agile getting on and off the boat, and that's what we want. We want to be able to have friends, family, and viewers, or whoever wants to be able to come on and off the boat. So really happy about this. What do you think, baby?
It's cool.
Yep.
Good job, honey.
Convince me. We used to have some other stairs, but I don't remember what happened to those. Do you?
It's right there.
Oh, that's right.
Give it away
Right.
and get ours.
And you know, it worked out for the better because I like these. These are nicer, they're lighter, and they're portable. So we're gonna put them to use. So anyway. So wrap it up for us, baby.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe down below.
Ding! All right, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. See ya.